BoldTrail CRM versus LionDesk. Which one should you be using? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to break down BoldTrail CRM and LionDesk, two platforms a lot of real estate agents and small businesses are talking about, so you can decide which one actually fits your workflow and goals. Let's start with BoldTrail CRM. It's built specifically for real estate professionals who want a simple, lightweight CRM without the fluff. It helps you track leads, manage follow-ups, and even send out postcards or emails directly from the app. Great if you're a solo agent or small team looking for something easy to use without a big learning curve. Now let's talk about LionDesk. LionDesk is more full-featured. It offers email, texting, voice calls, and even automation tools like auto dialers and client alerts. It's also built for real estate pros and has strong integration with Zillow and other lead sources. If you're doing high-volume outreach and want everything in one place, LionDesk might feel more powerful. So which one is better? If you want something simple, fast, and focused on core CRM tasks, BoldTrail could be all you need. But if you're into multi-channel outreach, automation, and deeper integrations, LionDesk might be worth the upgrade. Both are awesome, just built for slightly different kinds of real estate workflows. Let me know in the comments which one you use. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.